In today's video, I'm gonna break down what you can expect if you're thinking about moving here to Parsons Valley and Thompson Station and building a home with Beazer Homes. And at the same time, I'm gonna show you the model home right here. So come on, let's go. All right, the first thing I want to touch on is the location of Parsons Valley. Parsons Valley is located in Thompson Station, which is in Williamson County here in Middle Tennessee. Now, Thompson Station is probably about 30 to 35 minutes south of downtown Nashville, and it is just south of Franklin as well. When you first pull into Parsons Valley, you're gonna notice a couple rows of townhomes. And one of the things that I absolutely love about this neighborhood is they've got a pretty wide variety of different products at different price points for you to choose from. So when it comes to the townhomes, they've got 2 different floor plans that you can choose from. And then when it comes to the single family homes, they've got 5 different floor plans for you to choose from. One thing I absolutely love about Beazer Homes is their commitment to high quality homes and energy efficiency. Let me give you a couple examples. Beazer Homes uses 2x6 exterior framing combined with spray foam insulation on all the exterior walls of their homes. Another thing I want to mention is Beazer uses the full DuPont Tyvek system when it comes to the exterior house wrap. And what's cool about this is they will flash any little wires or other penetrations using these little boots right here versus the competition that's typically going to use just like a generic house wrap, and they're going to poke holes through that to run wires, and they're not going to seal those or do anything with that. On the exterior of Beazer Homes, they actually use the James Hardie pre-finished Color Plus siding, where it comes from James Hardie already finished in the color that they chose. That's gonna last a lot longer. It's gonna have a better warranty than what the competition is doing, which is just buying a generic exterior Hardie siding, and then they're painting it with whatever paint the painter decides to use. So I love the fact that Beazer is trying to pay attention to these little details and build a better home. Another really cool thing that Beazer Homes does is they give you options and they give them to you for free. These right here are called the choice plans. These are the 5 floor plans that you can get in Parsons Valley. This model home is the Buchanan floor plan. And you'll notice over here to the right, they've got a kitchen A and a kitchen B, and they also have a primary bathroom A and a primary bathroom B. They allow you for free to choose either one. On the kitchen, it changes the placement of the sink from the wall to the island and the dishwasher. And then when it comes to the bathroom, it allows you to choose a tub or a larger shower with a linen closet. I know people love choices, especially when they're free. I don't see any other builders doing anything like this, and it's really cool. They've got them all displayed on the wall, so it's really easy to see what you're gonna get. I can't tell you guys how many neighborhoods I have seen built out over the years with these big, expensive homes, and they have absolutely 0 amenities. It is really hard for me to recommend that neighborhood to people, especially people that have kids and they enjoy getting out and socializing. It's like, what are you gonna do? Nothing. They've got nothing. You have to drive everywhere. Parsons Valley is gonna have some great amenities. Starting out, yes, they are going to have a pool. They're gonna have a little community center, and then you've got a beautiful pool. And then next to the pool, they're gonna have a fire pit, which is gonna be absolutely amazing come fall time when the weather gets a little bit cool and crisp. You can grab a couple of your favorite drinks, run down to the fire pit, and just hang out and enjoy the beautiful weather. Next to the fire pit, they're gonna have a green space that's gonna be great for kids to play, for you to play catch with your kids, and then also for them to host community events. And then right beside that, they're gonna have a playground. And lastly, they're gonna have a dog park. Yeah, they're actually gonna have a dog park here in Parsons Valley. Another thing that Beazer does really well is they make it easy for you, the home buyer, to not only look at the homes, but learn about the homes and learn about the communities. At almost every Beazer model home, when you walk up, if there's not somebody working there, they will have an option where you can scan a QR code and register on a website and get access to that model home. So they know that you might be out looking at homes at random times and you want to check it out. You work, you've got a busy schedule, and they want you to be able to get access and see that home. All right, so let's talk about this specific model home right here. The Buchanan comes with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and just shy of 3,200 square feet. Now, they do have an option if you want to eliminate the study downstairs at the front of the home, you can turn that into a 5th bedroom and a 4th full bathroom. All right, y'all, my name is Matt Bogosian, and I'm a real estate agent right here in the Thompson Station, Tennessee area. If you've liked what you've seen so far and you want to learn a little bit more about Parsons Valley, or just talk about moving to Middle Tennessee in general, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description that will take you to my calendar. From there, you can book a day and time that works for you, and we can jump on a call and just chat about your move and see if we can come up with a strategy to help get you into a home just like this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.